today we need to replace a track rod end. This is the outer. It's got excessive free play, and we're going to go ahead and change it. So be sure to subscribe and like my video. Right, let's take a closer look. There it is, the track rod end. We'll use some penetrating oil, WD-40, in case anything's seized. Try again. Really, I should use some heat on this bit. Let's just cool it off. So with this out, you'll need to count the amount of turns it takes to remove this, because you don't want to knock your tracking out too much. Okay, let's go. So okay, so take off the sleeve and then just thread it back on. Okay. You may have to get a jack underneath and push it up, so that's what we'll do. When you're trying to tighten it or loosen it, tighten this the locking nut here, because that will be picked up on the MOT. In fact, I think it's a fail.